want to be a man. He lives in Never Never Land. He visits Wendy, Michael, and Joan. They live in a house in North London. One night, Peter Pan flies into the children's bedroom.
Good night, Michael. Good night, John.
Wendy, tell us a story.
Oh, yes, a story, please.
Okay. I tell you a story. Listen to me.
Where is it? I can't find it.
What are you doing here?
I'm Peter Pan. I'm looking for my shadow.
Where are you from?
I'm from Neverland.
Neverland? Where is it?
It's a special place. You can go if you grow. Do you want to see it? Come with me.
We can go. What will mother say?
Mother? What's a mother?
My mother is someone who loves you and cares for you and tell you a story.
Okay, you'll be my mother. Come on, we are going.
Where are we going?
To Neverland.
But how?
Flying, of course.
But we can't fly.
It's not difficult. Think lovely things.
Christmas! Chocolate!
Flowers.
Wow! We can fly! We can fly!
There's no better time to start. Think of all the joy you'll find when you leave the world behind and bid your fears goodbye. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly, you can fly, you can
Peter Pan, Wendy, Michael, and John are in Neverland. This is a beautiful place. They are right at the camp.
Oh, Peter, it's fantastic. Really fire.
Wendy! Are you alright, Wendy? Stop it! What are you doing, boys?
Who are they?
They are some new friends.
And who are they?
They are lost children. They don't want to grow up. Boys, I brought you a mother to tell stories.
Mother? She said, we are sorry.
We are sorry. Come on, I'll show you the island.
I want to see the mermaids. And the Indians.
And the pirates. Can I be the leader?
Of course.
Forward! March!
Following the leader, we're following the leader, wherever he may go. Cheeto, Chitty, a chilly dog today. Cheeto, Chitty, it's for the game we play. Cheeto, Chitty, the words are easy to say. Just a feeling down the chilly dog today. Cheeto, Chitty, a chilly dog Cheeto. To one, for all, and all of us up and march. We march in line and follow the out.
Captain Hook is angry. He wants to catch a Peter Pan. He's got an idea.
It's me. It's me.
Yes, Captain?
We must catch Peter Pan.
How?
We must find his house. I ate him.
I know Peter Pan cut your hand and the crocodile eat it. And now...
Yes. And now he's everywhere. I will trying to eat the rest of me.
But he eat words too. And now...
Yes. And now I can hear the stick, tap, and the china. Shh. Can you hear anything?
Don't worry, Captain. We'll catch Peter.
At the same time, the children are in Peter's house.
Bye, Peter.
We are going with you.
Bye bye.
The pirates are coming. The pirates like fighting.
Haha, we got you.
Hey! Hey!
Captain Hook and the children are on the pirates.
Hello, children. Do you want to be pirate?
No, we don't.
We. Then you want the plan. Peter Pan will save us.
Peter Pan, no he won't.
Now, do you want to be pirate?
No, we don't! As you wish, ladies first, my dear. What's the plan? Who's next?
You're next, Captain. It's coming. The pirates are coming. What's the plan? What's the plan? What's the plan? What's the plan?
No, please. I do anything you say.
All right. Say you are a goldfish. Louder!
I'm a goldfish.
Hooray! Hooray!
Cookie!